At Robinson Dental Family and Cosmetic Dentistry, we are proud to offer high-quality cosmetic dentistry services to patients in Linwood, Meadowdale, Alderwood, Shoreline, Mount Lake Terrace, and Woodway, Washington. Led by experienced dentist Dr. Brent Robinson, our team is dedicated to helping patients achieve their desired results. To learn more about our services or schedule a consultation, please contact us today by calling 425-77-81164 or visit 19108 33rd Avenue West Suite B, Linwood, Washington, 98036. You may also visit our website at www.robinsondental.com.